Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for tuning in. Guys, are you dreaming of a beautiful outdoor oasis where you can relax, entertain, and soak up the sun? Look no further than these inspiring patio design ideas. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, there's a patio style to suit every taste and space. Number one is Coastal Retreat Patio. Create a mid-size coastal backyard patio with a roof extension. Think breezy colors, comfortable seating, and lush greenery. Add a pergola or trellis for that beachy vibe. Number two is Contemporary Urban Patio. If you are in the heart of the city, transform your small backyard into an urban oasis. Use sleek materials like concrete and metal. Incorporate a fire pit or a modern water feature for added ambience. Number 3 is Eclectic Tile Patio. Mix and match colorful tiles to create an eye-catching patio floor. Add a gazebo for shade and hang string lights for magical evenings. Number 4. Rustic Stamped Concrete Patio. Stamp concrete to mimic natural stone or wood textures. Combine it with a pergola or wooden trellis. Perfect for gatherings around a fire pit. Number 5. Chic Courtyard Garden Patio. Turn your courtyard into an intimate escape. Use cedar wood, slated trellis to dress the walls and add smooth decking with built-in seating. A cozy fireplace completes the look. Number 6 is Classic Stone Patio with Fire Pit. Classic never goes out of style. Design a stone patio with a central fire pit. Surround it with comfortable seating walls for cozy nights under the stars. Number 7. Container Garden Patio. Short on space? Create a container garden patio on your balcony or terrace. Use colorful pots and planters to bring life to your outdoor area. Remember to consider your budget, lifestyle, and climate when planning your patio design. Whether you prefer sleek modern lines or rustic charm, these ideas will help you create an inviting outdoor retreat. So, friends, stay tuned to see more stunning and stylish modern patio designs. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.